Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Trust Wallet ID. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your mobile device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create a new wallet. You will then be prompted to read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to review these documents carefully before continuing with the setup. This initial step is crucial for securing your digital assets. Next, you will receive your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet, so it is incredibly important. Write it down precisely, word for word, and in the correct sequence. Store it in a very secure, offline place, perhaps in 2 or 3 different spots. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your funds, so never, ever share it with anyone. Now that your wallet is secure, you can add various cryptocurrencies. Tap the Add Tokens button, usually found at the top right or bottom of your main wallet screen. You can then browse through a long list of available digital assets. Use the search bar to quickly locate specific coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Simply toggle the switch next to each asset you wish to display in your wallet. Finally, let's cover sending and receiving funds. To receive cryptocurrency, tap Receive, select the asset, and copy or share your unique wallet address. To send, tap Send, choose the asset, enter the recipient's address and the amount. Always double-check the recipient's address and ensure you are on the correct network before confirming any transaction. This helps prevent irreversible loss of funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.